Welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the Human Resource Management and Payroll section of our accounting ERP software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Employee Setup. This is where you add, define, and list employees for your organization. From the main window, select Employee Setup. Click Create. Type the basic information of the employee. That is, name, phone number, date of birth, gender, password, email, and physical address. Upload employee documents and photo. Type the employment details. That is, branch, department, designation and date of joining. Type banking information. That is, account holder's name, account number, bank name, branch, and PIN or taxpayer ID. Click Create. Set salary. This is where you create, define, and list employee salaries. From the main window, select Payroll, then Set Salary. Select the employee you want to edit salary, click View. In the Employee Salary tab, click Create. Select Payslip type and bank. Type the salary amount. Click Save Change. In the Allowance tab, click Create. Select Allowance option and type. Type the allowance title and amount. Click Create. In the Commission tab, click Create. Select Commission type. Type the commission title and amount. Click Create. In the Loans tab, click Create. Select Loan option and type. Type the loan title, amount, and reason. Click Create. In Statutory Deductions tab, click Create. Select Deduction option and type. Type the deduction title and amount. Click Create. In the Other Payments tab, click Create. Select Payment Type. Type the payment title and amount. Click Create. In the Overtime tab, click Create. Type Overtime title. Select the number of days, hours and rate. Click Create. Pay slips. This is where you process pay slips for your employees. From the main window, select Payroll, then Pay Slips. Select the month and year, then Generate Pay Slip. To export pay slip, click Export. To process bulk salary payment, click Bulk Payment. To get individual employee payslip, select the employee, then click Payslip icon. The payslip will display. You have an option of download to print or send the payslip via email. To pay individual employee salary, select Employee, then click Pay icon. Leave Management. Manage leave. This is where you manage leaves for your organization. From the main window, select Leave Management, then Manage Leave. Click Create. Select Employee, Leave Type, and Date. Type Leave Reason and Remarks. Click Create. To approve leave application, select the employee. In the employee list, select the approval icon in the Action tab. Click to approve or reject. Mark attendance. This is where you update employee attendance. From the main window, select Attendance, then Mark Attendance. To get monthly attendance report, select Monthly, select Branch and Department, then click Apply. To get daily attendance report, select Daily, select Branch and Department, then click Apply. To import attendance report, click Import, download the CSV template. Update the CSV file, then upload. Indicator. This is where you create, define, and list indicators for your organization. From the main window, select Performance Setup, then Indicator. Click Create. Select Branch, Department, and Designation. Set up the indicators. Click Create. Appraisal. This is where you conduct appraisals for your employees. From the main window, select Performance Setup then Appraisal. Click Create. Select Branch, Employee, and Month. Type Remarks. Enter the appraisal score. Click Create. Goal Tracking. This is where you manage goal tracking for the employees. From the main window, select Performance Setup then Goal Tracking. Click Create. Select Branch, Goal Type, and Date. Type Subject, Target Achievement and Description. Select Status and Review Stars. Click Create. Training List. This is where you allocate employee to training sessions. From the main window, select Training Setup then Training List. Click Create. Select Branch, Trainer Option, Training Type, and Trainer. Type Training Cost and Description. Select Employee, Training Start and End Date. Click Create. To set training status, select View icon in Action tab, set the performance and status. Click Save. Trainer. This is where you manage trainer details. From the main window, select Training Setup then Trainer. Click Create. Select Branch. Type the trainer details, that is, name, phone number, email, expertise and address. Click Create. Jobs. This is where you create, define, and list jobs for your organization. From the main window, select Recruitment Setup then select Jobs. Click Create. Type the job title. Select Branch, Job Category, Status, and Date. Type Positions and Skills Required. Type Job Description and Job Requirement. Select Need to Ask, Need to Show and Custom Question. Click Create. Job Application. Use this section to manage job applications. From the main window, select Recruitment Setup then Job Application. Click Create. Select the job. Enter applicant's details, that is, name, email, phone number, date of birth, gender, address, and type your cover letter. Upload your CV or resume. Click Create. To process job application, select the applicant, click View. Here you can process the application or set up an interview schedule. Repeat this process for other job applications. Job Candidate. Use this section to process job application. From the main window, select Recruitment Setup then Job Candidate. Select the applicant, click View. Here you can process the application, set up an interview schedule or delete the application. Job Onboarding. This is where you onboard successful applicants. From the main window, select Recruitment Setup then Job Onboarding. Click Create. Select the interviewer and joining date. Set the working days of the week and salary. Select salary type, salary duration, job type, and status. Click Create. Interview Schedule. This is where you schedule interviews for applicants. From the main window, select Recruitment Setup then Interview Schedule. Click Create. Select the interviewee and interviewer. Select interview date and time and type comment. Click Create. Career. This is where advertised job openings are listed. From the main window, select Recruitment Setup then Career. Awards. This is where you create, define, and list awards for your organization. From the main window, select HR Admin Setup then Awards. Click Create. Select the employee to be awarded. Select the award type. Select the date of award. Type the gift, monetary value, and description. Click Create. Transfers. This is where you process transfers. From the main window, select HR Admin Setup, then select Transfers. Click Create. Select the branch. Select the department. Select the employee. Select the transfer date. Type the transfer description. Click Create. Resignation. This is where you process resignations for your organization. From the main window, select HR Admin Setup, then Resignation. Click Create. Select the employee resigning. Select the notice date. Select the resignation date. Type the description. Click Create. Promotion. This is where you define and list promotions for your organization. From the main window, select HR Admin Setup, then Promotion. Click Create. Select the employee to be awarded promotion. Select the employee designation. Type promotion title. Select the promotion date. Type the description. Click Create. Complaint. This is where you manage complaints for your organization. From the main window, select HR Admin Setup, then Complaint. Click Create. Select the complainant. Select the person he or she is complaining against. Type the title. Select complaint date. Type the complaint description. Click Create. Warning. This is where you define and list warnings for your organization. From the main window, select HR Admin Setup, then Warning. Click Create. Select the personnel issuing the warning. Select the employee receiving the warning. Type the warning subject. Select the warning date. Type the warning description. Click Create. Termination. This is where you process terminations for your organization. From the main window, select HR Admin Setup, then Termination. Click Create. Select the employee terminated. Select termination type. Select the employee notice date. Select the employee termination date. Type the description. Click Create. Employee Asset Setup. This is where you assign assets to employees. From the main window, go to Employee Asset Setup. Click Create. Select Employee Name. Type the name of the asset. Type the asset purchase cost. Select Asset Purchase Date. Select Asset Warranty. Type the asset description and location. Click Create. Document Setup. This is where you upload HR documents to the system. From the main window, select Document Setup. Click Create. Type the document title. Select the document role. Type the document description. Upload the document. Click Create. Company Policy. This is where you define company policies. From the main window, select Company Policy. Click Create. Select Branch. Enter Policy Title. Type Policy Description. Upload Attachment. Click Create. HRM System Setup. This is where you do setup for the HRM fields in all sections discussed above. From the main window, select HRM System Setup. Select the field, for example branch. To add new branch, click Create. Type branch details. Click Create. For more clarifications on the above demo video or technical support, kindly reach us out through the comment section below or email us at info@accountingorsystemsoftware.online.